In Toronto?
In Toronto, masaya siya kasi, well, the last time, yun yung last namin na stop. And for our tour, it was our first stop. And ang galing lang kasi, mas nag-grow yung rooms. We were in a bigger venue. And what's also, fun fact, yun kasi yung first stop namin sa North America. And so, yung viewing namin after a tour, punta kami sa tour bus. But before we go to a tour bus, sa location kami, sa venue kami maligo. So yun yung first time kami na naligo kami sa venue. And then, parang kami nasa bahay na yung lahat nandun, yung makeup, kumakain, naligo. And then, yeah, sobrang fun.
Tawag ka ng tatay mo. So yan, hello po tayo. Grabe, no? And just imagine guys, tuloy-tuloy ito na nangyari. Walang balikan sa Pilipinas. As in, from one country to another. How do you guys do it? Hindi ba kayo napagod? Hindi ba kayo... Paano ba?
Just sleeper bus. Sleeper bus. Sleeper bus.
May bus na kasama. Oh, pero just imagine yung pagod, pero yung